Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to uninstall the Signal app from your mobile device. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to tap on Settings. This will open up your device's main settings menu where you can manage all your installed applications and system preferences. Once you're in the settings menu, look for and tap on Apps. This section houses all the applications currently installed on your device, giving you access to manage, update, or remove any app you have. Now, from the list of applications that appears, tap on Signal. This will open up the specific settings and information page for the Signal app, where you can view details about its storage usage, permissions, and installation options. On the Signal app page, you'll see several options available. Go ahead and tap on Uninstall. This is the option that will initiate the removal process for the Signal app from your device. It's important to note that uninstalling Signal will remove the app entirely, so make sure you've backed up any important conversations or data before proceeding. After tapping Uninstall, a confirmation dialog will appear on your screen. This is a safety measure to ensure you don't accidentally remove an app you want to keep. In this confirmation prompt, tap Uninstall once more to confirm your decision. Your device will now proceed to remove Signal completely from your system. The uninstall process typically takes just a few seconds, and once it's complete, Signal will no longer appear in your app drawer or list of installed applications. You've now successfully removed the Signal app from your mobile device. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.